Up to this point, we always worked on this Challenges app, which of course was nice. It's a nice dummy app for diving into those core features, but it's not too realistic and it's not really that big. And therefore, in this course, I also got another course project I now want to dive in. We're going to build a blog. We're going to build your own personal blog, and for that, we're going to apply what we learned thus far. Now, we are going to learn more throughout the course, and we will therefore always come back to that blog throughout the course to also enhance it and add more features. But we can already get started with it with the things we already learned about. And therefore, in this course section, the idea is that we create a new blog project and app, that we then add URLs and views to this app and to this project to make sure that we can load different pages. And that, of course, we also work on some templates and some static files so that we really do get a realistic blog step by step.